yeah. She asked why I stand and I told her on business, yeah. None of you niggas will get it, yeah. The minutes we back in the stew, don't play with fire, you know what to do. She asked why I stand and I told her on business, yeah. None of you niggas will get it, yeah. The minutes we back in the stew, don't play with fire, you know what they do.
Welcome back everybody to another weekly market breakdown, right? So today we're going to be looking at US30. So US30 I've been following US30 very closely this year, right? Because I am growing the small account that I'm going to be showing you guys with US30, and I'm only trading US30 for that account. I want to show you guys how to flip a small account and still be consistent in the long run. All right, so that will be out later on this year. So that we can review all the trades, right? So for now, let's look at what the market is doing. So right now, when we look at the daily time frame, we can see that we are in a bullish momentum. The market is in a bullish momentum, right? So it's been respecting support and resistance. As we can see, bought, sold, and we're looking to complete this whole trend right here, right? So that's basically the whole picture. So the whole overall, we're looking for bullish opportunities, right? So I'm strictly gonna be looking for buying opportunities. I won't be entertaining any selling opportunities, but let's break down and see what is happening, right? So right now I currently have one setup for US30. So when we look back, we can see that the market pushed up, right? Oh, this setup right here I capitalized on. I'll go through this setup later on the year, guys. Oh, we ate the setup. But I'll break it down later on the year when I break down, like I said, the documentary account. So right now, the market has been failing to break this resistance, right? It's been failing to break this resistance. I'm expecting it to break this resistance. To be honest, by now I thought it would have already broken this resistance, creating new highs, but it failed to break the first time, pushed back, and it failed to break the second time, right? So far it's playing within this zone right here, the support zone and the resistance zone. So the market is playing within this area right here. So that's our playground. So what we can see now is, if prices were to break here, I would deem this a good entry to enter, right? But I'm not gonna be entering here. This would have been my first setup, but I'm not gonna take this setup, and I'll give you the reasons to that. Why? Because as we can see, the market is contracting right here. We have a contraction happening here. Market started off big, then prices started to squeeze in, right? So expecting the market to push up here, possibly breaking and going to the top. But my problem is, one, like I say, be playing within this support and resistance. Let me just remove the middle zone. I'm focused on this area right here. So I don't want to be trapped, because like I said, the market failed to break here and it also failed to break here. So I'm expecting the market to push back down first before looking for buying opportunities going to the top. So right now the market did fail to break and it's playing here. So it's been playing here. So what I'm expecting is for the market to trap buyers. So if a person was to buy here, I would want the market to trap them, not because I want them to lose anything, so that my setup can play out. So it will trap the buyers, take them out, and also it will look to trap sellers, because there might be some sellers trying to push this price back here, and they'll be stopped out here when the market reverses, right? So then the sellers who would hold longer than this area right here might be trapped, right? So I feel like the market would want to play like this first before going up, trapping those sellers and trapping those buyers. And once it has done all of that nonsense, That's when I'm looking to enter. I want to enter after the damage has been done, right? So am I saying is it gonna entirely work out like that? No, because even if the market does break, it can also break the support, right? Go back down here. It can literally do that. If it does that, then the person who sold you high the person is gonna eat shame. So right now I'm expecting, I want the market to push back down here. I want the market to sell off, right? I want the market to sell off, come back to the support, and once the market has reached the support, that's when I'll be looking for my buying opportunities, right? That's when I'm expecting very strong buying opportunities. If the market does not come back here, it will most probably push up, then the buyers would not have been trapped, right? Only the sellers who sold here looking to close here would be trapped. You see, guys, there's a lot of people like getting trapped. There's a lot, bro. There's a lot of people getting trapped, or people whose positions are getting knocked out because of they fail to identify certain key levels within the charts, right? So right now, if it does follow the buys, right? Let's say it does follow the buys right now and it breaks, then I'll look for entries at the top here, right? Because I'm expecting the market, my overall view for US30 is for the market to complete this setup right here, right? So in terms of how long it's gonna take, I have no idea. So yeah, I'm waiting for the market to break to finish off this setup, because it's sold here, to finish off this setup. Then I'll be looking for buying opportunities back to the top. So that's the only setup I'm waiting for, right? I'm waiting for capitalizations back here. If the market breaks the zonal area right here, and then I'll be looking to enter. I'll be looking for entries back to the resistance, right? But what is important is for the market to come and test my support area here before I make any moves. If the market breaks here, I'll look for my entries way back at the support right here. I'll have a double confluence in terms of the daily trend, which is red, and my key level right here, whereby I can also add in a zone. Let me just add a zone right here back at the support. So the market will, maybe if it does break this area, it will continue in a manner similar to this, right? It will continue in a manner similar to this. Let's say it breaks, it'll just come back and play out like this. It will play out like this. Once it plays out like this, I'll be looking for buys back to the top, right? Back to the top. So that's basically all I have for US30 right now, and we'll see later on how it plays out. And peace out, guys. Boomy and Co with funds and Gelo, where investing needs more.